guys, welcome back. It's Jelisa and I am back with another video. So this video is going to be me opening up a few things that I have purchased or ordered in the last few months. So if you would like to see what I have been buying, then just keep on watching. The first thing that I would like to show you is this Coach purse right here. Looking on the inside, you have your this is that little zip part that comes in most purses, so like a standard zip on the inside, and then two little pouches where you can put things, and it does zip, and it also has this zip part right here, which is a plus. You got plenty of storage in here, and yeah, I love this purse. I know a lot of people don't consider Coach as like one of the top, I guess, top brands to be wearing these days, but I still love Coach. And this fuchsia color that outlines it, it just gives it that nice little pop. And I also purchased this wallet to go with it. It has a little pouch right here. It zips up and it has plenty of areas to put bank cards, gift cards, your ID. It has this little coin pouch in the middle, and I love it. I love it. I'm somebody that likes to keep receipts and everything in my purse. Well, I don't like to keep them in there, but some kind of way they always end up packing up in my wallet. So yeah, it's plenty of space for that. And I believe this wallet, I can't remember the price of this wallet, but it was on sale. In the website, I will leave the website down below in the description box. One of my coworkers put me onto it, and every maybe 1 to 2 weeks they would have a 30 to 70% off sale. So you guys really need to take advantage of that sale. Now I know I paid $100 for this purse, and it retails for $328, guys. So that is basically a steal. Okay guys, so the next thing I purchased was this bag right here. I have been wanting a little book bag, designer book bag, and this is the Michael Kors book bag. Let's see, it says Rhea, I think it's Rhea Zip backpack. So this is in the color berry. It's like that fuchsia color. It's so pretty, and it also has the gold detailing in it. The zips are gold, and the Michael Kors is gold too. I actually purchased this from Dillard's, and it was when they was having that really big sale at the beginning of the year in January. So I think I paid maybe $100, or I know I paid less than $200 for this bag, probably about $100 or $150, something like that. So yes, I was super excited to get this bag, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. And on the inside it has this little front zip part, and it's deep. It goes way down there. Then it has this other bottom front zip part right here. I'll just take the stuffing out of it. But yeah, so you can store things down here, you can store things in here, and for the main zip, it has this little, I think they call these dust bags. It has this little dust bag that you can keep your bag in. Yeah, so this is really neat. It has, when you open the big part, it has this back part, this part back here where you can store things there. It has a zip part on that flap. Gosh. Okay. And it has this little thing where you can probably like put your wallet or your keys so that you will keep up with it. So it has that, and of course it has the actual deep backpack part. And when you turn it around, there's more areas to put things. It has little pouches in the back part too, where you can store things. I'm really excited about wearing this bag. I cannot wait, but I'm not gonna be wearing any of this stuff right now because everything that's going on. I know it's probably silly of me, but I don't know. I just like to be extra careful, and I don't know, that's just how I think. So I also purchased this wallet to go with the book bag, and it's actually pretty cool. It opens all the way up like this, and you can put your actual like dollar bills or your 20s, whatever you have that's cash. You can put cash in here, and it has these little areas to put your debit cards and any cards that you may have, your ID, and it has these little parts right here where you can put things. So 2 places there. And on the other side, it has this where you can put, I guess you would put like your checkbook in here, and it has an area to put your coins. So yes, this is really neat. I love this, and I can't wait to wear it. So on to things that I have ordered from Amazon. So one thing that I always get questions about are my eyelashes. So I have some on today, and I want to show you guys these lashes by, well, it's just a bunch of letters, but HBZ GTLAD. So yeah, that's the brand of them, and they are 3D lashes. They're 3D lashes. This is the brand right here, and on the front it just says Glam Volume Sexy Eyelash. New fashion thick, beautiful life begins with beautiful eyelashes. The style is right here. It says MDF 12. They're really pretty. They are really voluminous. I think that's a word. But I'm gonna take them out the pack and let you see them. So this is what they look like. So yeah, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of these eyelashes, and I have already went through about 2 or 3 of the different ones. Though these were the MDF 13s. I had the 14s. I think my favorite were the 14, guys. I purchased most of my lashes from Amazon because they have pretty good deals. I usually get these for about between $6 to $10. Most of them are around $7 or $8, but just depending on the style, it's between $6 to $10. Go ahead and try these lashes out. I promise you will love them. If you like big lashes, then you will love this brand of lashes. The last thing that I have from Amazon is this bed head crimper or crinkler, whatever you want to call it. They call it a deep waver. So I have this bed head deep waver. I haven't even used this yet, so I have to do a video and show you guys how to use it, or how I use it, or we'll experiment together. But I cannot wait to use this deep waver. On to these boxes that you see behind me. This one is from e.l.f. So I think I purchased these items last year during like the Christmas sale. Alright, so from e.l.f., these are the things that I purchased, and I'll just go ahead and pull them out for you guys. The first thing I see is this lock-on liner and brow cream in espresso, and I have used this before, but it did seem to dry out kind of quickly for me. I don't know why. Maybe I left the top kind of unscrewed before, but yes, this is a eyeliner that I actually use for my eyebrows. If I can get it out. This is the eyeliner, and it's like this dark brown color, kind of cool tone dark brown color, but it works pretty good for your eyebrows. The next thing I see is this e.l.f. baked highlighter, in Blush Gems. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. All right. This is what it looks like, and I will swatch it for you if I can. All right, so this is what it looks like. I think you can see that, I don't know. You may not be able to tell, but it's kind of like this really pretty champagne gold color. So I love highlighters that are kind of on the gold side. So I'm really looking forward to using this. So the next item is also a highlighter. It's a baked highlighter in Apricot Glow. So let's see what this one looks like. So this one looks pretty much similar, except a little bit more golden or kind of on the orange side. Yeah, it doesn't swatch really good, but this is more like a golden orange kind of tone right here. All right, so the next thing is this contour palette in Dark Deep. So this is the packaging of it, and when you open it up, there is your contour. The darkest shade right here, but the other shades would be more for lighter skin tone people. And it also comes with, I guess this would be like a highlighter you can use on your cheeks, because it has a little shimmer to it. Yeah, it has a little shimmer to it right there. It has a really nice mirror on it. So yeah, that's that. And the last things in the box are these liquid matte lipsticks. So I love e.l.f.'s liquid matte lipsticks. A lot of you guys ask what lipsticks I use on clients, and these are the ones. Matte liquid lipsticks from e.l.f. They all look the same. Let me just show you. Most of them are like this little blush kind of mauve color. So most of them just look about the same. I got 2 of each. So I got 2 praline, 2 tea rose, and 2 blushing rose. And these basically are right next to each other in colors. Those are my favorite colors to use. Is like a pink mauve color, because it just goes with everything to me. Moving on to Bath and Body Works, guys. Here we go. This is what's in this box. My collection is getting really slim, but this is the Georgia Peach Wallflower. So this is Island Margarita, this one. The next one is Pineapple Mango, and then I have 2 of Mary Mimosa. Oh my gosh, Mary Mimosa, y'all. If y'all didn't get this scent, y'all missed out. During the Christmas season, I was so obsessed, and I have it right here. I was so obsessed with peppermint marshmallow. Oh my gosh, and I'm still burning, well, not burning, but I'm still using the peppermint marshmallow, guys. But yes, these are, I believe these are all of the wallflowers I purchased. The next thing I see is a hand soap, a foaming hand soap, and it says Stay Magical Pineapple Punch. So I've never tried this. I've tried the foaming ones, but I have never had the pineapple punch scent. So I'm excited about using that one. The next one I have is Vanilla Bean Noel. You all know how that one smells. And the last one is Peach Bellini. So yes, those are my hand soaps, and they gave me a 20% off code. I got the Island Margarita candle. Let's smell it. It smells pretty good. I think it's the Peach Bellini that this actually smells like. This is a good summer candle. The next candle, New York Cheesecake. Let's smell it. Oh my. This smells just like cheesecake. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, I think I'm gonna burn this today. But yes, this is what this one looks like. It says New York cherry cheesecake. That's what I'm smelling. This is a New York cherry cheesecake. So guys, I actually forgot to mention these, but I also purchased this from the Coach outlet, the online Coach outlet as well. These are their slippers and they are super comfortable. I just opened them yesterday and I walked around in them a little bit and they are super comfortable and I love how these look. So these slippers retail for $100 and I only paid $59 for them. So yes, they were on sale for $59. The last thing from Coach that I purchased was this umbrella. It's kind of like that fuchsia color, just a little bit darker, but this is the umbrella and it retails for $88 and I only paid $29, guys, for this Coach umbrella. Last few items from Bath & Body Works, and they are candles. All right, let's see what candles I ordered. I ordered 4 candles. When did I purchase these? Because I think these are gonna be some fall candles. I think I remember getting fall candles. I purchased these items in December 7th of last year, guys, and I'm just now opening this. All right, so the first candle I see is a Merry Cookie. So I saw a lot of people raving about this candle, so let's smell it. It smells really good. It actually smells like vanilla sugar cookies with maybe some coconut. I feel like I'm smelling like coconut. Like those coconut windmill cookies. This smells really good, guys. Next candle I have is Marshmallow Fireside. Y'all know how everybody feels about Marshmallow Fireside. Y'all, I still have candles from the candle sale last year, okay? I had to get the peppermint marshmallow because I tell you guys, I was so obsessed with that scent. And it smells just exactly how the name. It smells just like peppermint and marshmallows. Yes, love this candle. And I still will be burning it in the summertime. And I got another peppermint marshmallow. So y'all see how much I love it. So yeah, I got 2 peppermint marshmallows. So that's all that was in that Bath & Body Works package. The very last thing that is just so dear to me that I'm so excited I purchased it, and guys, I'm just gonna show you. This is my MacBook Pro. Guys, I have been wanting this for so long and I was gonna go ahead and get it, but I had heard that the 16-inch MacBook Pro was coming out, so I just waited and I spent my coins on this new 16-inch MacBook Pro. So guys, I absolutely love this, and I got it fully loaded with everything on it. It was pretty expensive, but y'all, I've been wanting this for so long. What did I get? I got the little package on it that comes with the Final Cut Pro, and it comes with some other things that I have no idea about, but I got it for the Final Cut Pro. So yes, this is what it looks like. It's dead right now, but I absolutely love this MacBook Pro, y'all. I know nothing about it. I don't know anything about this thing. I got it upside down. I don't know nothing about it, but I'm just excited to have it. Yeah, I've been wanting it for forever, and I finally went ahead and spent my coins on it, y'all. Yes. So yeah, this is the star of the show. I saved the best for last, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching me unbox all of these items. If you have any other video ideas that you would like for me to do, go ahead and drop them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, stay safe, stay home, and be blessed.